Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Grace De Chavez. I'm 35 years old. I'm single. My education is high school graduate. I have an experience in Saudi Arabia from 2023 to 2025 as housemaid. My main duties are to taking care of children ages newborn baby and 4 years old, and also do household works like cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, washing, cooking. To my future to my future employer, please consider me as your helper. I am honest and hardworking. I will love your family like my own. I will finish my contract and I'm willing to extend if you need me. I am willing to learn to cook your food and language. Thank you so much.